So our discussion from the previous video about the line diagram, okay, so we had seen that here this line, okay, here you can see the 5.5 meter center to center distance between the two trusses here, okay. This is the first truss here at the beginning of the industrial building. This is the second truss, again 5.5 meter center to center spacing between the trusses, third truss and the fourth truss, okay. So you can just get it likened here. So you can see the building here, how it looks. So here there are only two trusses, okay, but in this plan you can see there are four trusses. So the starting truss and the end truss, between these two there are two trusses here, okay. So just in this diagram only draw another truss here and draw another truss here. So there will be four trusses in all. So this is how the total thing goes. So let us see the plan. So if you want to draw the plan of this, just give the wall thicknesses wherever necessary. So in the line diagram, all the walls are indicated by single line, but in the plan we are going to indicate the single lines by double line. That is, we are going to show the wall thickness. So that is the only difference here. So you can see here, this is the plan, okay. The scale is 1:100. Okay, you can go to my previous videos, the starting videos in this channel, how to calculate the values using the particular scale, okay. So you can see here, just all the lines have been given double lines here, okay. All the lines have been made into walls here. So these are the windows, okay. You can see here, these are the ventilator, okay. So you have to see the size of the ventilator and see the size of the window. For that you have to see the question. So let us see that size now. So what they have given, schedule of openings for doors, windows and ventilator. So the rolling shutter, that size is 2.7 by 3 meter. Okay. So this is 2.7 by 3 meter means, so 2.7 width and 3 meter height. Similarly, door D, the indication D means door 1, indication D1 means door 2, W means window, V means ventilator. So what is door 1 size? 1.2 meter like this horizontally and 2.1 meter height. Similarly, door 2 size, that is 0.9 by 2.1, that is 0.9 meter width, 2.1 meter height. So what is the size of the window? 1.5 meter horizontal and 1.2 meter height. So here you can see the ventilator, okay. So that is 0.6 by 0.3. So 0.6 by 0.3, here you can see the 0.6 means the height, okay. Sorry, here a slight confusion is there. So 0.3 means it will be the wall thickness, okay. So it will be horizontal, 0.6 means it will be the height, okay. So here they have given the reverse thing. 0.3 means the wall thickness. Ventilator should be in the wall thickness, correct. So 0.3 will be the wall thickness, 0.60 means the height. Similarly here also, I guess let us see in the section, 1.5 meter is the height, okay, height of the window, and 1.2 meter is the width of the window, okay. 1.5 meter height of the window, 1.2 meter width of the window. To be frank, actually the first number should be written in the width format, the second number should be written in the height format, but here they have taken reverse, okay. Let us not get confused with that. So let us see the plan now. See here, there are the windows, okay. These are the windows here, you can see. And this is the complete plan. And here you can see this portion, okay. And this portion beyond the wall. So that is the projection of the sheet, okay. The AC sheet is projected beyond the wall. It will be easy for you when you go to the section part. You will easily understand why this projection has been here, okay. So let us see in the elevation part how it looks like, okay. Let us see that in the next video.